Hi, it's Chester at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video we're going to look at 4 reasons why your formula is not calculating. Take the first example. I have a formula up here that's trying to add up these two figures, the female staff and the male staff, and all I can see is the formula itself, but it's not actually calculating. Now the reason for this is that the formula is actually stored as a text value. If I double click into the cell, I can see why that is. It's because I have a character before the equal sign. And in this case, it's a space, so it's impossible to kind of see. If I get rid of that space, just by backspacing, pressing enter, then it will then work as a formula. The other thing that would make your formula a text value is the inclusion of an apostrophe before the equal sign. So just double click in the cell, make sure you haven't got a space or an apostrophe before the equal sign, and your formula will definitely work. In this column, I want to work out what percentage of staff are female and then what percentage of staff are male. So the 73 divided by the total number of staff, 118. Instead of showing me the answer, the cells just display the formula. And there's definitely no space or apostrophe before the equal sign. So why are these formulas not performing their calculation? The reason here is due to the format of the cells. The cells have been pre-formatted with the text format, and that's actually preventing them from performing the calculation. So what I've got to do is select the cells there, go up to this list and select General. Now it still doesn't solve the problem, so what you then have to do is go to the Data tab of your ribbon, go to Text to Columns, and then just click on Finish. And for the cells that you've selected, it will then allow the formulas to perform that calculation. Obviously now I need to apply the percentage format. Okay, let's go on to the next reason why your formulas may not be calculating. Now in this scenario I have 3 formulas, this cell here and these 2 cells here, and at the moment they seem to be performing their calculation. Now if I was to change the number of female staff to say 75, what I would expect is the number of staff value to change and also these to recalculate, but they aren't. Now the reason for this is down to the calculation mode within Excel. If you go to the Formulas tab on your ribbon, there's a little button over here called Calculation Options, and by default it should be automatic, but it may have been changed to manual, and this is the reason why the formulas don't automatically recalculate. So if I go up to automatic now, you can see I get an automatic recalculation. And if I was to change this to 78, all the formulas recalculate. Now the third reason why your formulas are not calculating is where you have chosen within a particular sheet to show formulas rather than the answers that the formulas actually give. And back on the Formulas tab here, you can see we have a Show Formulas button, and it's a toggle. With it on, it shows all the formulas in the cells. With it off, and I just have to click on it to turn it off, I get the answers behind the formulas. So it's always worth checking that you haven't got this Show Formulas button on. If you switch it off, you'll get the answers to your formulas. Okay, let's go on to the final reason why your formulas may not be working. Now everything looks good in this sheet. I've got a total, I've got female staff and male staff, but I'm going to change the female staff here to 75, and it doesn't seem to change the total here. I'm going to look in this cell and I can see actually there's no formula in this cell, there's just a value, and I'm going to write my formula, which would be C4 plus C5, and I get this message about a circular reference. I'm going to click on OK to continue with it, and I get these strange arrows here. Now a circular reference is where you're pointing to a cell whose formula in itself points back at that cell. So our male staff cell contains a formula that points at C3, where C3 has a formula that points back at C5. So this creates a circular reference. It's impossible for Excel to do this calculation. So really this spreadsheet has been designed incorrectly. There should have been a formula up here for total staff, C4 plus C5. So this cell should contain a number. Let's say we have 38 male staff. Then the spreadsheet works correctly and I've got rid of the circular reference. Okay, so those 4 reasons why your formulas may not be calculating. Hopefully that's been useful. If it has, please subscribe and I'll see you next video.